Yeah, it's already recording. You just hold it. Okay, so this is first of all banana attack. Second of all, this is Kumbh Mela 2025 in Prayagraj. This event is happening once every 144 years, correct?
Every 12 years.
Pura Mahakumbh.
Purnama, which is every 144 years.
Exactly.
So, oh my God. So even my grandfather, my great grandfather, they even if they wanted to come to India and see it, they could not have.
They could not.
So,
Exactly.
wow, that's crazy. And what is the difference? So what is so special about 144 years?
Actually, in every 12 years, there's a kumbh.
Wait.
There's a kumbh.
Every 12 years.
In every 12 years.
Yeah.
And after
Can
the,
you stand here so and continue talking? Yeah.
and after the cycle of 12 such kumbhs,
Yes.
the Mahakumbh arrives.
Mahakumbh happens.
Okay. And the
12
difference.
into 12, then 144.
Right. But the difference, what's the difference? So why is so special after 12 times? The 12th Mahakumbh, why so crazy? Or why so cool?
There are some philosophical aspects and some astronomical aspects.
It takes 5 to 6 generation to witness this Mahakumbh.
Wow. I feel so lucky. That's
Actually,
crazy.
how the
There.
What is
They
it?
also want to tell you some.
Yes. It's a lot of people.
भारत भूमि पुण्य भूमि त्वदर्थे, तो पुण्य भूमि में 4 जगह महाकुंभ भरता है।
Translator?
कहा बता?
भारत भूमि पुण्य भूमि त्वदर्थे 4 जगह महाकुंभ लगता है, उज्जैन, नासिक, प्रयाग और हरिद्वार।
The Kumbh is held in 4 places.
4 places.
One is Ujjain in MP, another is Nasik in Maharashtra, another in Haridwar, Uttarakhand, and the most precious Mahakumbh is held in to
UP.
place UP Prayagraj.
व्यवस्थित रूप से पर्याप्त जगह है। एकमात्र ऐसी जगह प्रयागराज है। 4 जगहों में सिर्फ प्रयागराज में महाकुंभ पूर्ण महाकुंभ के रूप में परिलक्षित होता नजर आ रहा है।
Okay, I have no idea what he just said.
Prayagraj is one of the most precious place in 4 Mahakumbh, where millions and millions of people are coming together. The spiritual
This
wealth-
is the largest human gathering in the
Human
world.
gathering in world.
There's like 200 or 400 million people coming
more
overall.
than 40 crore.
Yeah.
यह सत्य सनातन
1 crore is 10 million.
यह सत्य सनातन और काल की तरफ प्रवृत्त हो रहे हैं।
It's tremendously a truth and a spiritual program which is holding here.
Wow, it took a long time to say that.
Millions of peoples are gathering and enjoying this.
Not from
Cool.
India, around
Not
the
from
world.
India.
I
around
love
the
this.
world, you know.
This is like a big home for everyone to come.
Yes.
Free food,
Free food,
free accommodation,
free accommodation.
yeah, free
Yes.
bed. Well, you can pay 100 rupees for
Yes.
a
For
month if you
in
want.
front of this.
Yeah.
In front of this.
But even if you don't have money, there's still
There's-
accommodation.
and food free.
Amazing.
रामचरितमानस में उल्लेख आता है कि जब श्री रामचंद्र जी अयोध्या से निकले थे तो प्रयाग बीच में बहुत बड़ा क्षेत्र